Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I'd like to show you a new project of making my own paper collection, A Dog's Life. So get into. Okay, first of all, the size of this one is 6 by 8 inches, and that's in centimeters, 15 by 20 centimeters. Spine is a 3/4 inch or 10 centimeters. So that is quite, well, not that big, but it's a nice size. I really like this size. Alright, so as you can see at the front, I used quite a lot flowers, and I also added some charms like love my dog. This is a tiny little doggy, and this I could not resist to put that on the flower. It's so cute, and I love my dog. And then this one looks on my youngest one. Here is another charm, my soulmate, and then plenty of flowers starting here all the way to the left. Then I used some ribbons right here. I used some fabric for the spine. I really love this, so cozy. And then the back is the same as the front, also some ribbons. Now this is the closure, and that's also on the front. And let me show you on the side. It's so cool. Yep, let's open this up with all these ribbons, and then it opens up. And as you can see, love the images on here. And this is not a normal album. This has, as you can see, maybe, I don't know if you can see it, it's a box. Yeah, there are all kind of little inserts inside here, little books. How you even call these, I don't know, but you can put so much inside here, and you even can pull all these out, and then you still have a wonderful storage spot to add, hope it stays, to add all your photos inside. So you don't need to use these, but of course we made them. But yeah, you also can use this as a nice storage one. But what do you think? So this is completely loose from that, so it's a nice box, and it looks like an album. Yeah, so cool. But let me go to the inserts. Alright, so we have 6 ones. Look how cool all these are. So if you're not an album maker and you don't like to make pages, then this is a great option. So let me show you them. Okay, let's go to the first one. The first one has a nice big pocket with my lovely doggy in front, and the inside and the back I kept plain, so you can add lovely pictures on. And then this opens up, and then we have a big pocket at the back, and another pocket right here, dreams come true, and then my little one. Alright, unconditional love. Here we have another little pocket, spoil my dog. And then this flips to the left. It's a nice, love this image, stay. Then here we have a little tuck spot. My dogs give me a reason to smile every day. And then here we have a little tuck spot. Here is my other beautiful chica. Too cute she is. But this also goes to this way, and so you can add your pictures right here if you want, or you just can go this way. Alright, then this, this. Alright, then this flips to the right. Love the decoration of this. The papers are so nice and grungy. Here we made a little tuck spot. Could not resist adding a little picture already in. And this flips up, another place for photo, till the moon and back. And then here you can add a nice picture, or add a nice sentiment, or even add 2 little pictures. And same thing right here, you can write your name in here. You still can add, if you want, a picture loose in here if you want. See, that's a nice storage spot. But I kept it plain. Love this. You also can add a picture, but you can keep the picture loose. That's totally up to you. And then the back, I kept it plain for this one. All right, let's go to the next one. This one has a little pocket. Yes, I'm a dog person. Life is better with a dog, always. And that's the front, but this has a, I call this closure, I don't know. Can't come up with the word right now, but look at cool. It with leftover pages, of course, with leftover pieces. Alright, let me check it out. This goes to the left. Here we have a nice little pocket, and here also. You are my fur shine and love my dog. So cute. Okay, this goes back in, and then this goes to the left, and here we have a little tuck spot right here, but you still can add your picture on. This opens up, you can write something down here, still adding a picture right here. This goes to the left, nice big pocket. Here is a little tuck spot, you still can add your picture behind. Love is a four-legged word. And then we are at the back, but this continuing this way. A nice tag inside, dog kisses. Here you can add nice 4 pages, but I still not and glued not this completely down, so you still can add your pictures for the corners. This goes to this side, and here we have a pocket, and here we have a belly band. And then you also can add this completely open, just like this. So it's easy to put all your photos inside. And then at the back, it looks like this. So actually it's a full, yep. And then everything, pop, 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 pop. There you go. And then you add a sleeve. This is a sleeve closure. A sleeve closure, yes it is. Alright. There you go. Number 2. Let's go to the next one. So cute. Alright, this one. Oh, I love this layout. It's just, love it so much. Let's go to the inside. So it's a nice pocket right here. And a nice pocket with a booklet. Write your name here for your doggy if you want. Nice layout. You can put your photo in here. Then we have a nice waterfall. Goes up, and then you have a little pocket at the bottom. And under here also a nice big booklet where you still can add more pictures in. And then we have 2 little pockets with 2 nice little tags. And then we go to the back. And then the back has a nice belly band with also a nice big booklet. You and me. Alright, what do you think so far? Cool, isn't it? Let's go to the next one. The next one starts with a big pocket where I already add 2 nice tags, but you still can add your pictures at the back or front, totally up to you. And this opens to the left. Here we have 2 big pockets, which I added a few photo mats inside with a tag. It will be perfect to add a nice 2 pictures on here, ATC cards or nice small pictures would be amazing. And then it's pretty much the same on this side, this big pocket. Also love the size of this photo, but you still can add a bigger picture on the back. So cool. So 2 nice pockets, And then the back, I made a foldable pocket. It's a foldable, expandable pocket, see? You can add pretty much in here. And what I added here is a little booklet with another charm of that lovely small dog. And then 2 tags with another charm inside. And then another booklet with another charm. So adorable. And then 2 tags with another charm on it. I think it's really a nice extra effect with the charms. What do you think? I love it. So cool. Alright, let's go to the next one. Another beautiful layout. Love this vintage dog. Let's open this up. Here we have another small little pocket. Another little tag inside here. A big pocket. Beautiful tag. Nice big booklet. Leftover pages. And then we go to the inside. Here you can add 2 beautiful large pictures. Then this opens up as a folio. And here we have a nice big belly band and 2 little belly bands at the front. So cute. Look at these layouts. Oh, so cute. And then you just put this back in. Go. And then the same on this side with these layouts. Oh, so cute. But you still can put your photo on the back if you want. And here is a nice frame. And the left and the right page, I just use my leftover spots. And yeah, you still can add a little picture here or just a big one, guys. It's just, I could not keep it clean. Alright, and then the back I just decorated with my 2 loved ones. Yeah, super cute. Super cute. Alright, and my last one is the Fattest one. Maybe it was not a good idea, but yeah, I could not throw it in the trash, so I just love it too much. Alright, so let's open this up. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here it is. Open this up. Okay, so here we have space for photo, if you like. This I decorated nice. And here we have another belly band, which you can add your photo on the back or at the front. And the same thing goes for this cute little belly band. Very simple, but effective. Then you go to the bottom. Here I just decorated, but it would be awesome if you put a nice photo right here. So adorable. And then this big pocket with, oh no, this is for the, not from the leftovers, but this is for the front cover that I made this. Alright, so we have a nice big tag. It's pure and simple. Love this incision, by the way. Super cool. Here we have another one. And then you open this up, and then we have 2 little pockets using leftover strips. Same goes for this little guy. Oh, it's so cute. So it's so much fun, guys. The papers work so cool together. Then I decorated this one. Oh, not too high. This goes to the bottom and this goes to the top, of course. I decorated pure and simple, but you still can add a nice little picture on. Then we have a pocket. Well, it's not a pocket, it's actually a tuck spot for this one. And you open this up and you have another little tuck spot. This goes down. This I decorated right here with my leftover pieces. And then the bottom is just a full page. Then I decorated this, but you still can add a picture right here. Same goes for this one. And then we have a little tuck spot right here, an incision pocket. Home is where the dog is, definitely. And then a nice patchwork pocket with a nice tag in, which you can still add a picture on the back or inside this pocket. So what do you think? You like it? I know I like it so much. It's so cool, in my opinion. This goes this way, then this goes this way, and then you can close it all up again. So what do you think? It is a big fat one, isn't it? Yeah, maybe I added one page too many, but yes, so cool. So what do you think, guys? All this goes in the book, in the cover, well, the box album. How you call this? I have no clue. How you call all these? Mini folios, mini inserts, mini books? I have no clue. I love making them. It's very effective. You can just take one out and work your pictures inside. You do not have to do any worrying, yeah, difficult word for me, with any binding system, with the pages not be flat or anything. So this is for you if you don't like mini albums with pages. So yeah, this is definitely for you guys. So this goes all in back in here, and just put them back in any order you like. You also can put loose pictures in these box. Also totally up to you. I think the system works absolutely stunning. I will definitely gonna make this once more in the future, because I really like this boxed, how you call this? Is this a box, a storage album? I don't know, but I like it. And then you just can fold this back with your ribbons. Why I did use 3? Just because. Just because I like it. Doesn't have to be pretty tight, but yeah, it's really effective. I like it. It's not the easiest closure, I commit that, but yeah, I really like it. Oh, this one went down. There you go. And if you don't, you can go back to the first one to make it a little bit more tighter. But as you know, you don't make this 10 times a day open, do you? Where is it? Oh my gosh. Yep. Alright. You get the picture. Alright, so what do you think? Do you like it? I adore it, and I hope you liked it too. So give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.